Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a deep dive into gadgets and accessories so you can make the right choice. Today, we're checking out the charger for DS Lite with USB cable and 2 styluses by BTFO. This is a complete AC charging adapter kit designed specifically for Nintendo DS Lite systems. It's not compatible with DSi, Switch, 3DS, or 2DS docks, so make sure your device matches before picking this up. Out of the box, the package includes one AC adapter wall plug, a USB charging cable, and 2 styluses. The charger is built with durable PVC material, while the styluses are a combination of metal and plastic. The compact design of the charger makes it ideal for travel, and the collapsible plug ensures it fits neatly into your bag or drawer without taking up much space. Whether you're at home or on the go, this setup gives you the flexibility to charge your DS Lite with ease. Safety is also a key feature here. The charger comes with advanced circuit protection, including overcharging, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuit prevention. This ensures that your DS Lite stays protected while it powers up. The compact size, measuring just over 2 inches for the charger and 2.75 inches for each stylus, makes it easy to carry around, and the lightweight design won't weigh you down during travel. For gamers who rely on their DS Lite for long trips or daily gaming, this charger kit offers a practical solution. It keeps your system powered up while the extra styluses provide convenient replacements if needed. The overall build feels sturdy, and the materials used are intended to last, giving you a reliable accessory for your gaming setup. That wraps up our look at this charger for DS Lite with USB cable and 2 styluses. If you're looking for a dedicated, compact, and safe way to keep your DS Lite charged wherever you go, this kit is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next gadget review.